Hi guys, here's Christian the Stamper. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful train. And I'm going to do the end first. And I'm going to show you how to make my train. So I'm going to stamp it nice and easy. Not hard, not too hard. I'm going to do it easy so I can take my time and stamp it on the page. And you might want to push it on real hard on the page because I said so. And you might want to do the coat car pink because I like pink. And you might want to do the same thing like I did on the engine. Don't push too hard, like real hard. Don't, because it's gonna make the picture look not funny. So I'm gonna push hard again, and I'm gonna make a blue coupler. I'm going to make a blue coupler. And I'm going to make a blue coupler, guys.
That's the right side. That's the right one.
I'm going to do this side. And I'm going to do it on this side.
Gentle.
And I'm going to make it gentle because I do not want to break it. There's a coupler.
Take that for you. I'm going to wait till you stamp it. Okay, that's good.
And
Stamp it.
I'm gonna
Which color next?
do orange, guys, and then I'm gonna make a construction one after this train video. So I'm gonna stamp it and see how it looks. Looks good to me, guys. Now, a caboose can be right here. And I'm going to put the caboose up top of the engine because it doesn't have any more room here. Oh, how tiny it is, guys. And I'm going to stamp it and see how it looks. Looks very good to me.
Do you need this?
Yes, I need it. I'm going to have to make this thing like it was before. Here's the floor, and here's the lantern. Here's the lantern for the back. And here's the longest floor ever.
So they can see. Put it up.
And another straight line, and another lantern, and I'm gonna color in the inside.
Gentle. Gentle.
And this is how it's gonna look. I'll put the cap on. And I'm gonna make the construction now. I don't know what that was. Mommy.
On here. This way. There you go. That's good. That's okay. You're good. Not so hard. There you go.
And good. I can do it, Mom.
Okay. A little bit in the middle. That's good. That's good. There you go.
And some in the middle.
That's okay. You're good.
There's some in the sticking out right here.
Hold on. Got a little bit off. Don't put it so you don't get any sticky stuff. Right. Hold on. Right there. Try that.
And this is how I'm going to put it.
Say thanks for watching.
And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it again. Thanks for watching. Rach.
The stamper.
The Stamper Christian Stamper. The Rainbow Stamper guy.